Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by equipping the lighter and confirming fuel. Make sure it's in a quick slot so you can toggle fast. Once done, approach the target area, candles, papers, or wooden doors, and hold the use button to light. You'll see a small flame. Control it with short taps to conserve fuel. Quick taps also prevent overheating and conserve durability. As you proceed, watch the lighter icon for remaining fuel so you don't get surprised. Continue by using the lighter to trigger environmental interactions and complex puzzle chains. You want to ignite switches or fuses in sequence. Light one element, back off, then light the next to avoid chain burns. Once a fuse is lit, follow timing cues and move to the safe zone so you don't block the mechanism. Make sure to angle the lighter for maximum reach on distant targets. If something won't catch, reposition and try a steady press. To finish, extinguish the lighter immediately after completing the action to conserve fuel. You'll want to repair or replace the lighter when durability drops below 20% so you aren't left stranded. Once done, store it back in inventory and use for next objective. If the lighter won't ignite, inspect conditions. Rain, strong wind, or being underwater will prevent ignition. Move to shelter, dry it, and retry. One troubleshooting tip: if the flame sputters, hold steady and shield it with your body to block wind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.